but at the back it's sitting on two wooden blocks.
Right.
Okay, so I'm going to describe the handling as...
What about handbrake?
You won't need a handbrake, believe me.
Oh, at least I'm on pole position where I rightfully should always be.
Yeah, well, we thought we'd give you a head chance.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take the yellow car, I'm in yellow peril, and
Right.
this looks like it was once a Mondeo.
Look at this, a lovely Audi 80 from the 90s, and all of the velour trim inside. Wonderful. So my black Audi sits on pole position, ready to annihilate all before and behind.
We'll see about that.
I've got Dazzler behind me. There's someone called Rat over there.
Oh,